Now can I give it to?
Yes. He was looking at you though.
Green and green, green and green.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's try it. Hold on. Let me see how it tastes. Okay, not so bad. See what he thinks. One tiny little bit.
This.
Let me see.
This.
Looks good. Yep, see. All right, your brother's feeding you. Gentle, gentle.
How does he like it?
What do you think, Brady? I think he likes it. Try again. Okay, you can put it in a little bit more, huh? That's good. Just stick it in his mouth a little bit more. Huh? He doesn't know what to do with his hands. There you go, Brady. Good. What do you think?
He likes it.
Yeah. Good job, Austin.
Is good?
No, too much. Dump some out. A little bit less.
Good.
Dump. Wait, let it drop off. Okay. Good. Now you scoop the stuff that dropped on his chin. Scoop it, scrape it up with the spoon, and put it back in. There you go. What do you think?
Actually, I don't want to do that.
You don't want to scoop it off his chin?
His tongue is green.
It is.
It's good.
Yep. Good job. He likes it. I think he likes it more when you feed him than when I feed him.
That's good.
Let me see. I didn't see. A little too much. Take some off. Take some off.
Good.
Let me see. Yeah, it's good. Okay. All right, Brady. Here it comes.
He likes it.
Yeah. Do you like it? I don't know. Is that a face of liking it?
Yeah.
What do you think? You like it? Yummy? He's a little messy. Let me help him clean off, okay?
It's good.